What's up everyone, in this video we will compare Klarna with Afterpay. Both are great, and in this video we will compare all those features. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Regarding availability, Klarna is available in more countries than Afterpay. It is available in the US, UK, Australia, Austria, Germany and a few more. Afterpay on the other hand is available in the US, UK, Australia and New Zealand. New Zealand is the only country where you find Afterpay but Klarna. If we talk about the sign up process, with Klarna you need the phone number and your email address for the initial setup. After that you can browse the stores and add products to the carts. Before purchasing your first product, you will need to add a payment method. Afterpay contrarily requires an email address for the initial setup. After you have done that, you will need to add a payment method. From there, Afterpay will charge you a few cents or dollars to verify that payment method. Okay, how do both work? Klarna app is actually a browser with additional functionalities. The app comes with an interface where you can browse stores. You can add more stores by tapping on this Add New button. When you open a store, you see the main website. You will need the normal store account to purchase anything, as for those stores you are just using a browser. After you have selected an item which is within limits, you can add to cart. Down below, you will have an option to pay with Klarna. The app will automatically detect the payment in the cart, but it also offers to add the total payment manually. On the next screen, you will find repayments information. When you pay for an item, the app creates a ghost card which can only be used for the current sale. After you have purchased, the ghost card details are no longer valid. Afterpay, on the contrary, is different. After you have signed up, you get to see many stores. Tapping on each shows the website and in-store products. Unlike Klarna, Afterpay offers both online and in-store shopping. The second menu on the app is the barcode menu. This is where the spending limit is specified. You can refresh the barcode if you can't see it there. Furthermore, the barcode is only for in-store purchases. After you have selected the products, you will show the barcode to the cashier and they will scan and process the payment. Moving to limits, trust is the primary goal. Klarna gives you a good amount of money and you can increase the limit by repaying on time. Also, depending on your region, there is a minimum limit as well. For example, here in Australia, the item worth must be at least $35. Afterpay also offers the limits, but there is no minimum spending limit. Here in Australia, Afterpay gives you $500 in the beginning, but you can increase that amount by paying on time. We still have a couple of rounds to cover. Moving to repayments, with Klarna, the first payment is the day of the purchase. The next 3 payments are every fortnight. In total, it gives you 6 weeks to clear all the payment. In some regions, if you can't pay on time, you are not overcharged, but your rating decreases though. If the rating decreases, you will not be able to increase the maximum limit. Afterpay, on the other hand, charges the first payment on the day of the purchase and the rest are every fortnight. If you can't pay on time or miss a payment, you will be charged $10 fee. Afterpay does not use any rating system, but if you are not able to pay on time regularly, then you will not be able to increase your limit. The final round is about refunds. If you return a product and get a refund, then you must notify Klarna, because if you don't, there will be delay in your refund. As the initial refund goes to Klarna, they have to process everything. If you let them know quickly, then they will know why the refund came, so they can send the payment back to your account. With Afterpay, the process is simple. If you are returning anything in store, you just go and tell them that you used Afterpay and they will process the refund immediately. Online, the same process applies. The company automatically refunds in your Afterpay account. So which one is for you? Well, Afterpay is used for in-store purchases while Klarna is only for online purchases. If there is only one available in your country, then there is no choice. And if they are both available, then why don't sign up with both and use each occasionally? Both are great and both have many benefits. Alright, thanks very much for watching this video. I hope it helped. Please like the video if it helped and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you and take care.